Hi, this is Alan Garfinkel, founding partner of Garfinkel Whynot. I'm a lawyer that's practiced throughout Florida and lectured all over the country regarding hurricane claims and recovery of hurricane claims and dealing with the aftermath of hurricanes. And specifically, I'm talking today about dealing with the aftermath of Hurricane Matthew, which has caused what's estimated as billions of dollars worth of damages. And so one of the things today I want to focus on is whether or not to hire a public adjuster. A public adjuster is different from an independent adjuster or an insurance company's in-house adjuster, and a public adjuster is hired specifically to protect your rights. However, just like in any profession, there are good public adjusters and bad public adjusters. But regardless, all public adjusters have one provision of the contract that I don't like. One of the differences between a public adjuster and, say, for example, a lawyer is that if you hire any law firm anywhere in the country, and for whatever reason, you and the law firm or lawyer don't get along or not feel like it's moving the way you want it to do, you can terminate the lawyer, and you just have to pay the lawyer for the services that were rendered. The differences that drive me crazy with the public adjuster contracts is they are locked into their percentage forever. So even if lawyers get involved or other public adjusters get involved or no one gets involved, their percentage is locked to the beginning of time. So what happens is that sometimes you have public adjusters coming in storm chasing from different parts of the country to try to collect as many contracts as they can and secure their fees. That's one issue that I have. Understand that generally, folks that you hire as public adjusters or lawyers are going to try to get you as much money as possible. They're financially incentivized to get you as much money as possible. However, though, public adjusters can't take the matter beyond the insurance company saying no. And so sometimes an unethical public adjuster might settle the claim for less so that they get paid and the case is resolved. All I'm saying is that there are good public adjusters, there are public adjusters that are not so ethical, just like any other profession. And I would just say that make sure you're getting, before you sign that public adjusting contract, please make sure that you're getting, making sure you're getting references and secure that. Finally, even if they have a sterling reputation, negotiate right in the contract that they're going to get paid for the work that they do, the work that they accomplish, but at the point that they're terminated or if they're unable to collect money on your behalf, they're not entitled to a fee. That's the way it should be, in my opinion. So with that, wishing you the best of luck. If you have any other questions, please feel free to call me and I'll help you along.